Well, hello YouTube. I hope you all are doing great. It's been raining since quite a few days, तो बाहर नहीं निकलने हुआ. आज निकल रहे हैं एक छोटे राइड पे. Once again, a short ride, not a long one. So I hope the climate doesn't change suddenly because it's been raining cats and dogs all these days. Also, if you look closely, you will find the Insta360 mounted on my handlebar. That is because we have a brand new camera up front on the helmet, and which is the best camera for a motovlog? It's a GoPro. So yeah, recently got a GoPro Hero 9. It was a gift from my wife. So trying it out for the first time. I hope the vlogs come out better, especially the audio, because I don't know, the Insta360 uses some kind of an audio engine wherein a lot of wind noise is captured on the audio, and no matter what settings I tried, it used to capture a lot of wind noise coming into the helmet, and also which was hitting the helmet. The noise that I could hear onto my ears was also being taken on the was also being recorded by the Insta360. Yeah, just connected my Sena. So about to leave now, hitting the highway, thinking of going to a new location off the highway actually. So to reach the place we have to go onto the highway. Once we get there, you'll know. So let's go. Luckily, I was meddling with the camera. I slowed down and there were cops ahead. I don't know if you saw that. Taking a U-turn because my intelligence got the better of me. I assumed the road to be somewhere ahead, but when I checked the maps, the road that I used to go is behind. So we have to go a bit behind and go. So it says 21 minutes. Yeah, this is the place. Yes. Now I know. Now I'm sure. Hello. I've come to this place twice before. Once during my pre-wedding shoot and once before that. It's a beautiful place. 4 kilometers and 12 minutes. Let's see if we can get there easily. Going through a village. My header just touched. I shouldn't have come on this road. Everyone is staring at me as though an alien is there amongst them. Right kidhar hai babua? Yes, right is here. New Creta. People have mixed opinions about that car, the way it looks. One more thing I wanted to genuinely talk to my viewers is about where is YouTube heading to. I mean, making people are making vlogs, people are doing daily vlogs and all that stuff, showing off, showing the way they live and all that. Yes, it's all good, but majority of the content is so cringy. I mean, I don't know who would watch. I don't know why people watch also. Why produce cringe content and stupid content, making a dog fly? What is that? Oh my god. Speaking of the devil, there is a devil in front of me only. Don't follow anyone blindly, guys. Koi bhi, anyone, be it anyone, don't follow anyone blindly unless the guy is well educated and has proper knowledge about whatever he is talking. Just don't follow anyone, that's all. Because it will lead you to nowhere. When you follow someone, when you look for information on YouTube, see to it that the person who is giving out the information is genuine, not sponsored. Because 90% of the YouTubers, famous guys right now, are sponsored, and they'll just talk whatever they're told to talk. And out of that 90% of YouTubers who are sponsored, believe me, at least 89% of them have zero technical knowledge. Literally zero technical knowledge. There's just 1% who actually, have researched into some stuff. There are quite a few people I know who have rejected sponsors just because they know that the brand is shit, and they don't want to talk about, they don't want to mislead their viewers or their audience about that particular brand. So whether it comes to filling oil or whatever, do your research on your own, or get hold of a good technical guy who will help you out with it. Don't just believe any random stuff that you see on YouTube. Yeah, वो बोलते हैं ये डालो, ये बोलते हैं वो डालो, मत करो जो आपको पता है. There are quite a few educated, I mean people with very good technical know-how on YouTube, like Fortnine. I don't know if any of you all follow him. There's something called Fortnine. There's a channel. He does so much of research into the stuff that is there in the market. And WinWiki, again, crazy guy. He does a lot of research. Sam Crack works on his own cars. So if you want some information on cars and stuff like that, these are the people. Motorcycles, you can say Royal Jordanian. He is like the bap of motor vloggers, because he has got good knowledge about the thing that is there. And again, you have apna NCR motorcycles, apna Delhi wala. He physically, practically works on the bikes, and he knows कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. अगर पता नहीं है, just because somebody is paying you money to tell something about something, some product, some oil or some motorcycle, कोई भी कुछ भी बोल देगा. Just because you have a million followers or whatever, just don't mislead people. So NCR motorcycles bolo. And Augie is there. Yeah, Augie also works. I've seen sometimes. I met him also. Yes, he gets his hands dirty. So yes. Then Bulu Biker hai, jo I met him also, and yes, he also is very humble and sponsored, yes, but the amount of technical knowledge they have, they can guide you, because he has been around quite a few bikes. I mean, he has owned multiple bikes, and yeah. और सबसे बड़ा तो अपना ज़ोहर अहमद को कैसे बोल सकते हैं. सॉरी ज़ोहर भाई, आपका नाम लास्ट को लिया, बट यस, यू कैन रीच आउट टू हिम गाइस for anything, literally anything about motorcycles. He will help you out with the part, he'll help you out with what oil, what stuff that goes into it, anything. So yeah. Or who else is there? These are the few people that I know of. And very underrated guy, one of the most underrated YouTubers right now, if I have to talk about, will be GoPro Man, Anni Arun. He goes to places that are out of reach. Literally, he goes to places that are out of reach. On his 390 ADV, he used to have a Duke 200 before, and yeah, You want to see new places, follow that guy. He is the guy to know. Especially, see, as far as I know, he is from Karnataka. He's from Bangalore. He's from Bangalore, not Bangalore. So most of his trails explorations are based in the south. But yes, he has done quite a few north rides also. But people down south, follow this guy Ani Arun. He'll take you places. And very humble guy, very down to earth, very humble. It was fun meeting him. I met him once, just once, and yeah, really great guy. Oh my god, we have reached somewhere nearby. अभी ऊपर चढ़ेगा या नहीं, मुश्किल है. कैमरा पे नहीं दिख रहा है, बट दिस इज क्रेजी स्टीप एंड माई बॉल्स आर इन माई माउथ राइट नाउ. मुझे नहीं पता मैं कैसे उतारने वाला हूँ गाड़ी नीचे. आई हैव नो आइडिया हाउ. Oh my god. चढ़ा तो लिए, but I know getting down this road is going to be a big task for me. It's going to be a huge task for me. Yes, oh my god, this is beautiful. Crazy. It looks even more beautiful just because it is rained and it's all green. And now the big task is getting back. But before we get back, we have some time, so थोड़ा रुकते हैं, स्टोरी वोरी डालते हैं. Yeah. Shall I go ahead or shall I stop here only? Let us go ahead for a while. So I'm here and this is the view. Crazy. So I'll spend some time here and I'll head back home. The only worry is how I'm going to get the bike down. So देखते हैं, let's figure it out. I wanted to leave a bit early, but then for that I had to reach early. I reached late, so because I somehow missed the road. Abhi bhi after I get down, I want to navigate, put on the navigation and find my way. Also मेरा GoPro का बैटरी डाउन है, तो मुझे I'll have to change the battery. I also got 3 extra batteries, not the GoPro batteries, but a manufacturer called Telesin. I think quite a few of you all would know 3 GoPro Hero 9 batteries, because other batteries don't fit this. And it comes with a box. It comes with a charger somewhat similar to what GoPro offers, but GoPro I think 5000 का एक देता है, the charging box with 1 battery, and I think you can only have 2 batteries in the charging box. This one you get 3 batteries along with the box, which can house 3 batteries. So बहुत अच्छा है फॉर सिचुएशंस लाइक दिस वेयर अभी GoPro का बैटरी डाउन होता है एंड there's also some kind of a fogging on the lens and on the front screen. I just googled what it is and it says it's pretty normal condensation hai. Just remove the battery door and keep the GoPro in an open environment. Maybe this is happening because it's the first time I'm using it. Shayad se because of that it is happening. So yep, let me get down and do the talking. It's easy to bring normal bikes up here. They are not heavy, but this thing is like 300 kilos and I doubt any ADV owner also would bring their bikes up here because it is quite a bloody task to come up here. I'm just going to roll it down in first gear as slow as possible, otherwise I'll be fucked, I'll be screwed. One mistake that I did is I came alone here, so there is no one to help me. This is not much of a task, but that is a big task, I know. I know the pain in coming up. It doesn't look steep, but it is steep. This is the straight level and this is what we are going down. So as I said, most ADV owners also would think twice to come up here. Just a minute. Hingo! Just had to ask for guidance, but yes, it is. Front wheel is slipping, so I'll depend on the rear wheel. Full of rocks. Somehow making it slowly. I think while climbing I took the other end of the road, I mean the other side. That was equally complicated. तो भी ज़्यादा नहीं बचा भैया, ज़रा हटो. Oh my God, mama. Yes. I leave the brake and it goes. Whew. That was close. So let me just change my GoPro battery and get back to you. People like public reaction videos, तो ये लो हो गया और एक public reaction आ गया. भाई साहब थोड़ा हटिए, अच्छा होगा. came this way if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and this is the way I want to go back home also. Can't accelerate much. This thing will take a big hit if I play around. So finally about to reach the highway. I don't know how good the GoPro angle is. I'm really sorry. देखते हैं, थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं क्या, पहुंच के करते हैं. अंडरपास टनल मिल गया हमको. ओह माय गॉड, नहीं जा सकते अंदर से. अंदर यू टर्न है, नीचे यू टर्न है या नहीं है, रहना तो चाहिए. यस, मिल गया. Dungeon. So this road, Kolhapur to Belgaum, was at once upon a time one of the best roads to ride on. But अभी क्या हुआ है? Monsoon and lockdown has played havoc. There are no funds to make roads, I guess. So exactly in the center of the road you have crazy potholes, and I don't know if they've been recently filled, but even if they are, the thing is crazy. Stupid assholes. आज बहुत सारे क्लोज कॉल्स हो रहे हैं. इज दैट अ रैंगलर रूबिकॉन? ओ हो ब्यूटीफुल कार. इट्स अ जीप. एग्जैक्ट मॉडल क्या है ये? इट्स अ रैंगलर. या I just gave him a thumbs up. क्या चूतिया आदमी है. Idiotic creatures are on the road. Very good, very good. क्रॉस करो ना, क्रॉस करो. वी आर ऑन अ नेशनल हाईवे. दैट गाय इज जस्ट कमिंग इन. बाप का रास्ता, बाप का राज, यही है. बेलगाम में तुम लोग कहीं पे भी रेव ना करो, कहीं पे भी गाड़ी ना चलाओ. ये रास्ते पे थोड़ा आवाज करके चलाना ही चलाना, याद रखना. दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई डू, बट एक ज़माना था जब सब लोग करते हैं, अभी भी करते हैं. बिकॉज ऑल द मेजर कॉलेजेस, प्री यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेजेस आर ऑन दैट रोड एंड पीपल रिप देयर बाइक्स ऑन दैट रोड. अभी तो कॉलेज ख़त्म हुआ है. एट 3 in the afternoon or 10 in the morning you have quite a scene on that road. RX100s and Bullets and Activas and R15s with all with modified silencers and fluorescent colors and all that stuff. You have quite a lot of them. तो चलो हम घर आ गए हैं. Put the bike on neutral. गाड़ी ऊपर चढ़ाते हैं and I hope you have enjoyed this ride, this vlog. It was quite an adventurous one, and also a few tips that I gave. Don't forget it ever. कोई बोलेगा नहीं तुमको, कोई सिखाएगा नहीं चीज़ें. If you'll have doubts about something, feel free to ask. Just don't blindly follow anyone. So that's it for now, guys. पहले गाड़ी ऊपर चढ़ाता हूँ एंड फिर वीडियो एंड करता हूँ. अम्मा yes. So as I was saying, that's it for now, guys. Stay safe. Always wear a mask. Always wear a helmet. Maintain your social distancing. And ride hard and ride safe. Until the next video, see you. Bye bye.